Hi guys, welcome to brand new channel Gun Mania. Here we're gonna talk about guns, a lot of guns, handguns. We're gonna include in our stories some Mauser rifles, some 22 Plinksters, good old semi-automatic, AKs. We're gonna talk about ammo. As you can see, we have a lot of ammo. We have some cheap good stuff. We have some medium stuff we're gonna talk about. We have a fancy stuff, some hollow points, pretty good stuff. We're gonna walk you through a little bit how to properly clean your gun, which products to use, pretty much which tools you're gonna need to properly maintain your gun. For you guys who are out there coming into the guns and trying to get some advices, also I can also get your suggestions as well. We're going to talk about spotting devices, different types of, for example, mags, plastic, steel ones. We're going to walk you through some steps. We're going to include in our stories the info about the guns, factories who made them. Oh, I gotta do this. Oh, this feels so good. Good old Mausers. For you beginners out there, I would say a couple words about 22s, pretty good ones. We're gonna talk about cheap, fancy, medium optics, which one is good, which one price the money. Good old AK-47s, and of course we're gonna include in our stories some war stories. What you get in war stories, guns. So stay tuned, guys. Put your guns in holsters, be safe out there, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.